I finally finished up these green doors, but I still have 3 more doors to do. They're solid white, so it's going to be a little bit easier, but still, here we go. Check this out. So just around the corner from where that door is, for some reason there's another door. Have no idea why, but this one is just going to go solid white on both sides to match the wall here, and it'll just blend in much better, almost like it's not even there, because I really don't even fucking use it. So here we go. Door number 7. Yeah, this is the 7th door. For some reason my house has 7 exterior doors, but you know, whatever, can't complain about it. Just gotta get them done, right? One step at a time. That's how we do things here. Gotta keep it lubricated, am I right? Yeah, buddy. Might as well lube up the working parts while I got it all disassembled here. But I must say, this place is definitely looking a hell of a lot better ever since I started doing this work. Did I know how to do most of it? No. All I did was try. I picked a place, I started, and I just kept going. If I fucked things up too badly, I call the help of my professional friends, and they like to help me out because that's what friends are for. Yep, basically I just try to take shit apart and put it back together best I can. Hopefully it goes back together the same way it came apart, if not better. But that doesn't always happen. All right, another door, baby. I know someone's gonna say it. Where's your desk mask? Well, it's right here, bitches. Yeah, okay. I have it. Calm the fuck down, Karen. Whew. It's all in the prep work, right? If you want the final product to look nice, you gotta put in that work. Lay a good foundation. Yeah. Look at that, baby. Woo. That sun is waking up now, that's for damn sure. Man, it is getting hot out here. All right. Let's get this fucker ready to paint. I'm telling you, I absolutely love this paint sprayer. This was one of the best things I ever bought. Worth its weight in gold. Nothing beats the finish on a paint sprayer. All right. Hook this fucker up. And we are rolling. All right, we got power. Let's prime this bad boy up. See if I remember how to do this here. Yeah. Make sure that's off. Flip that bad boy around. Fill the hose. And we're ready to spray, baby. Well, sort of. Gotta clear the line out a little bit. Boy, turn the room around. Shut the door so the bugs don't land on it. All right, clean up time. A lot of work for a little bit of reward. Now, a lot of work for just a little bit of spray time. It's worth it. The finish you get off the paint sprayer is so much better than anything else. It's well worth it. Especially for exterior doors. Small price to pay. Into some cleaner water. Use that as the wastewater. Make sure she's off. Rinse out that pump. Start spitting shit out of this hose. Clean it out. Alright, and we go back to this one and we get all the paint out of the hose. Turn that down for less spray back. I'm learning. Alright, then we clear the line of all the primer. Try to reclaim as much as we can. You'll notice a little difference in consistency in it. And you can hear the machine work a little bit differently when it starts to pump water. Spray your finger a little bit. Yep, that's watered. Watered down. All right, we're done. All right. Clean that line out. Get all that primer out of there. Run some clean water through it. Because the next coat is paint, baby. The next coat is paint. All right, now I got to go figure out something else to do for the next couple hours before I put the final coat of paint on this side and let it dry overnight. This is a couple-day process. I don't want to rush it to fuck it up, you know. Might as well do it right and make it look nice. Yeah.